Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Dodge Journey rear wiper blade. First, make sure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is set for safety. You'll need a new wiper blade, specifically designed for your Dodge Journey, and a small flathead screwdriver. Gently lift the existing wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into an upright position. This provides clear access to the blade. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look closely at the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You'll typically find a small tab or clip that holds it in place. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully press or pry this tab. Once released, you can slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. Be careful not to let the wiper arm snap back against the window. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its attachment point with the end of the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firm. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window. To finish up, turn on your vehicle and test the new wiper blade. Ensure it moves smoothly across the window and provides clear, streak-free visibility. If you notice any issues, double-check the installation. Remember to regularly clean your wiper blades with a damp cloth to extend their lifespan. For an even easier clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.